How to automate lead nurturing in HubSpot with Pabbly account. So Pabbly Connect, right? To automate lead nurturing in HubSpot using Pabbly Connect, follow this structured step. Now navigate to the workflows, go to the automation. Now here you have to just go to the automation. Now just go and click on workflows here. Now make sure here you have to just make in, upgrade your account. Now to create your lead nurturing workflow, now log in into your HubSpot. Make sure you are in your correct portal if you manage multiple accounts. Now create a new workflow here, right? So you have to create a new workflow. Choose to create a workflow from scratch or use a template. Set specific triggers that will initiate the workflow. Now integrate Pabbly Connect. Create a Pabbly Connect account if you don't have. So just go to here, Google, and search for Pabbly Connect and hit the enter bar. Now here just go and click on automate all your integrations and tasks. So here you have to just go and sign it up for free, and then you will able to do this. Use Pabbly Connect to create webhooks that will capture data from various sources such as forms or CRM systems. Right now configure action in HubSpot, create contacts and deals, and use HubSpot workflows to automatically send targeted emails and drip campaigns. Now monitor and optimize. Use HubSpot analytic tools to monitor how leads interact with your email and content. And this is how you can just do so. Thanks for watching.